baseball started, and Jason 6-0 on the parlays. Holy smokes, Jason. That was a monster day for you.
Yeah.
Holy Toledo.
We got a little.
I don't know where you. I mean, you got some juice yesterday. I can tell on days when we're gonna win. You had massive mojo. Like
Mojo. Mojo. Mojo.
I placed these bets. These are what we're gonna do. And you were all confident, and you just killed it. You killed it.
You know, sometimes when you see a stock or you see,
And you know you're gonna make money.
yeah, like you say, hey, that's not right. There's something wrong in the marketplace. There's an inefficient price in the stock, an inefficient price in the baseball line.
I mean, you crushed it on baseball.
It is gone!
It's so funny. I talk to people that do like the most complicated stuff, like they're brain surgeons or doctors that I know.
Yeah.
And they're like, Todd, how do you pick that stock? I'm like, dude, how do you cut someone's head open?
Exactly.
I mean, come on. I don't know. How do you bet on baseball? It seems like you know what you're doing.